Aloha everyone and welcome in. This is David Tatera here today to share with you a little help for anybody out there doing some BitClout work. If you've been on the platform for very long, you know that there's an awful lot of scammers out there. This was one of the more well put together scams that I've crossed, and it cost me to lose some money. So I'm going to go into detail, give you guys exactly what I ran into, how you can avoid it so you can make sure you don't make the same mistake I made and lose your money. All right, so the other night I'm on BitClout, or excuse me, I'm on Twitter. I do a little search for the hashtag BitClout, and sure enough, up pops this one. I take a look at the profile. This is called Everything Georgia. Obviously, 75,000 tweets, 1.5 million followers. If you look through their profile, very active. They get great responses on almost all of their posts. So I thought, this is a really interesting one. And as you can see down here, they have listed their public key. They tweeted out a public key. Usually that's what happens when someone wants to authenticate their profile on BitClout, which can be a really good sign. So I took that public key and wanted to go find out the profile that they were tweeting it out to match. So you look over here and you pop it into my favorite tool, BitClout Pulse. If you haven't used it, it's a great one. But you can just pop the public key right into there and do a search, and it pulls up the matching BitClout profile. BitClout profile is this one here called GA Followers. You can see it started with a nice $364 coin price. It had been fairly stable. It had a good market cap and some coins in supply and that. And so I thought, let's take a look at this and find out some more information. So I popped over and looked at the profile. And as you can see, a heavy dose of it went to the creator of this profile. This guy, Rokocode, I've crossed paths with him over in a Discord server before. Great guy. So another good person. I thought, well, I'm going to take a flyer on this one and throw a little bit of money into it and just see what happens. Because 1.5 million followers in an active Twitter profile is a pretty good start, for a $300 coin. So I put 25 bucks in. You can see me right here. I'm David. I put this $25 in. And within 60 seconds, something magic happened. As you can see up here, $351 coin price. Within 60 seconds, it became a $3.43 coin price. Yeah, that's what that actually says, $3.43. That is a 99% loss on my money. And while it may not be accurately reflected here, but what's happened is this guy, GA Followers, has cashed out completely. Took my money with him because, the coin value was higher when he cashed out. I bought in at a high coin value. He cashed out at a higher coin value. So he took my cut of the money. My $25 is now down to 25 cents. So he took $24.76 of my money, as well as some money from everybody else who had invested in him up to that point. So what in the world is this? Why would someone take it? Here's another screenshot real quick. You can see even, somebody else invests in the coin afterwards, and it does go up a little. It goes up to a $9 coin, but it's still, pretty much worthless compared to that $350 coin price. And what's really happened, I reached out to these guys, this Twitter page, Everything Georgia, and explained it to them and kind of talked to them a little bit. At first, they were very responsive. They wanted to find out what happened, how this strange tweet appeared on there. For some reason or another, they stopped, got real quiet. The trail went kind of cold on me there. Hoping to hear back from them here at some point, and I will gladly update it. But I've seen this happen a couple of times, and what it seems to be is that someone has figured out how to hack some of these Twitter profiles. I'm not entirely sure, if it's someone at an agency going rogue, if it's individuals doing this separately, but they seem to have an ability to post these public keys on someone's Twitter profile, and they're sending them to a fake BitClout profile that they have set up with their own BitClout coins on it. So as soon as you add any more investments into that profile, they go, all right, cool, take all the money, get out of here. These guys, this Everything Georgia Twitter profile is not connected, it turns out, with this BitClout profile. But like I said, I don't know exactly how they're getting these how they're hacking in here and putting these fake tweets on Twitter, but it's happened more than once. The reason I have this all screenshotted, this is the second time I ran into this scam. That's why I kind of smelled it and put such a small investment in just to check it out and see if it happened. And sure enough, it was the exact same game. So be really careful. One of the things that you will notice, if they are actually putting their public key in there to be verified on BitClout, there is a second hashtag that they put in. It's called BitClout Verify Me. So if you don't see it say BitClout verify me, that means that they're not actually verifying a BitClout profile. This is my clue now. You know, whenever I catch one of these with a public key on there, look, make sure it has BitClout verify me. If it does not, there is a very good chance it is a scam. There's a very good chance as soon as you put any money into that profile, somebody's going to take it and going to get out of there on you. So anyway, that's my video for the day. I hope it helps you if you are investing in BitClout. Comment down below, subscribe, give me a like if you like the video. Please let me know what you think of it. I'd be happy to share more and more. I'm loving diving in on this BitClout adventure, and I'm happy to share anything and everything that I learn along the way with you. Take care and aloha.